Hello guys. Today we tackle a common problem, dealing with those pesky unknown callers. In this guide, we'll show you how to silence unknown callers and take back control of your phone. Ready to reduce interruptions? Let's get started. First, open the Viber application on your mobile, then click on the More option in the lower right corner of the screen. After that, click on the Settings option, then go to the phone or call settings. Look for the option related to Mute Unknown Calls. It may be labeled differently depending on your device. That's the key to filtering out those unidentified numbers. Toggle the switch to enable muting unknown callers. This will silence calls from numbers not in your contacts, sending them directly to voicemail. Depending on your phone, you may have additional options to customize this feature. Feel free to explore and customize it to your liking. And there it is. You've successfully silenced those unknown callers, giving yourself some peace of mind. If this guide helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.